talking today about creating your cover art for your Google site. Here I have the social media image size chart for Google Business Profile, and we can clearly see that the cover photo is 1080 by 608. Here in Photoshop, I have open the flour sack project, or one of our animators created a dancer. As you can see, we have many GIF layers in this animation, and the animation itself is actually quite large. At 26 inches wide, it's huge. Let's take a look at the pixels, 19 by 20. Now that's kind of close to our cover size, right? The height, 1080, matches the width of the cover photo. So it is possible. Let's go to File. Oh, sorry. First I have to close this. File, New. We're going to click on Web so that we have the 72 that we need. And then in the width, we're going to put in the 1080. And the 608 from our image size chart to give us the exact size that we need. Now we're going to go to the artwork, and using the marquee selection tool, we're going to make a selection of the image that we're going to copy and paste onto that canvas. As you can see, the picture is quite large. So I can select the move tool and I can move it around to find the best part of the graphic that I want to use, or I can use Edit, Transform, Scale to change the physical size. Click OK to indicate to the computer that you're done sizing the photo, and then under File, Export, you're going to come to Save for Web. This feature alone is why professional graphic designers pay $60 a month for Photoshop. Here, we're going to take the original image and we can compare it to 3 other compressions. Those compressions can be different formats. So in this case, I want to compare a GIF to a JPEG of high quality and a PNG. Now I see the file size and how long it will take for that file to load on a 55K kilobyte per second line. This file is 483K. As I pick it up and move it around, I can look at the quality of the line. I don't really see a difference between the GIF and the JPEG and the PNG in terms of quality. However, the JPEG is only 175K, so it's the winner. We're going to go ahead and select that file and click Save. Here on my desktop, I have created a folder called Web Ready, where I'm placing all the files that I'm going to be using in my website. And I'm going to call this, he's my dancer, so I'm going to call him Dancer 1. And then I always add the resolution to the file so that I can tell the original from the web-based resolution file. Click Save. Here on Google, I'm going to come to my page. In this case, I'm doing the video page. I'm going to select Image, Upload, and I'm going to go to that Web Ready file that's sitting on my desktop, and select Dancer 1, click Open, and there he is. He fits beautifully. Add your original art to each page of your website. Click Preview, copy and paste the URL into the covers assignment. Thank you so much for your time.